West Side Killer.
Y'all, it's your girl Jerzey Elise coming at you with another video. And yes, I'm looking bum busted, crusty, but we're gonna get that taken care of today. So as you can see, I do have this mesh crochet cap. It is a crochet wig cap. I did make sure of that. It is anti-slip. So it will help with staying on your head, but it does have two combs in the front and then the comb in the back. But wait, did I say before we start this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go hit that bell for all your notifications and make sure you like this and comment down below. So now we can really get into the video. So as you can see, I've gone up about a few spots on this crochet cap, and I'm just going to take my crochet needle, take the braid that I have. Now mind you, these are braids that I've had for a while, washed them, conditioned, and now I'm about to make me a wig. Just pull the hair through, and then we're going to take it from the end and pull it through as well. So I'm going to do it again. I'm doing a finger length apart. So I am going again, latching that braid onto that hook, sliding it through, and then I'm taking the end of the hair, pushing it through that loop, and pulling it down. It is that easy, y'all. It really takes, like, I want to say 15 to 20 minutes depending on how you're going to do it. But I'm going to be quiet and I'm just going to show y'all how I got this done, okay? So let's get into it.
I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my kick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, that's it.
Hey, Tots, turn me up.
I got my peaches out. I get my weed from California. I took my kick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I got my peaches out. I get my weed from California. I took my chick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I wanna wrap my arms around you, arms around you, wrap my arms around you, arms around you, wanna wrap my arms around you, arms around you, wanna wrap my arms around you, arms around you, wanna wrap my arms.
All right, y'all, so look how full this is. This is a total of 72 box braids. Now again, as you can see, the middle is not done. This is a partial crochet box braid wig, and I did take some hair from around the perimeter that's already there and put it in the middle, since it was kind of hard and a lot of hairs to put in the bun, but I did make it work. But I actually love this hairstyle because it's just so quick and easy. But y'all ready to see what it looks like? Because I'm ready for y'all to see it. So let's get into it. All right, finished product, y'all. This is it. This is the look, honey. Okay, this is definitely the look. Melanin radiant. Okay. But if you like this video, make sure you go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. Go hit that bell so you can get all my notifications on when I do post. And I'll see you in the next one.